Leaders who master this one thing don't just solve problems, they rewrite the game. Shift your mindset to a success mindset and watch how everything in your life begins to change. It's simple, but it's powerful. Especially when it feels like your business is running you and not the other way around. Been there, done that, t-shirt up. The next time something doesn't go as planned, pause, breathe. Before your thoughts and your feelings overtake you, ask yourself, for my challenge, what's possible now that wasn't there before? There's always something there. Always something there that you didn't catch before. It's like watching a movie for the second time and all of a sudden you have these things that you didn't see before and you're connecting the dots. It's like that whoa moment. When you're stuck firefighting, you're not leading. You're stuck in this endless hamster wheel. Stop asking, how do I fix this? And start asking, what's my hidden opportunity here? What if hidden in one of those challenges you faced is the opportunity that you've missed that could change your life forever, and you just need to re-watch the movie a second time? It's not about reacting, it's about creating. Shift your mindset from facing challenges to seeing opportunities, an abundance of opportunities everywhere, in everything, every day. A mindset of growth, a mindset of success. When you focus on creating, you don't wait, you lead the way.